So this is Friday, April 20th, and the guys are doing the between the windows the stucco repairs on this side as we go down the parking lot. They've already done behind the building the repairs there. Examples of those repairs that were done. And so on the corner we can see the colors that eventually the entire complex will be painted. So we'll go take a quick look in 138 where apparently they had a little bit of a mishap, I think, with a little bit of a flood in here. But, hello. How you doing? Good. Good. So they're painting the cabinets now, getting them back up. So the unit's been painted, the floor's been put on. Bathroom values in the process of being put back on. Not quite sure what this hole is here, up here, but we'll have to make a repair there. So that's the 138. We'll go. So this is 103, the other model, this one with a tile. Hey guys, how's it going? Good, thanks. Just having a quick look.
Oh yeah.
See how things are going?
Everything is good so far.
Good. Excellent.
Much more, but we're still working.
Beautiful.
There's some drywall.
Yeah, beautiful. This is 103, tile is down. Cabinets in the process of getting put back together. This is 103. So all the patios have been torn down, and they're getting ready to build the block patios here on the back of these units. Looks like they're laying down. Could be granite going down. Don't know. So the stacked. Dumpster still out front in the parking lot. Definitely want to get that out of the way so the city doesn't see us and ask us for permits on this work. So we got the stacked stone going up on the front. So this is what units look like now. Still haven't removed these overhangs here. Become great little resting places for the pigeons on top. I'm going to get those taken down. So this is the new leasing office with its beautiful new flooring. Cascada del Sol. It's, the area behind where the toilets are, behind the clubhouse section. The flooring's been brought out. There's still no baseboards done around the edges, but it's been painted and the flooring is in place.